also very excited to learn some other new skill today, that is about blackboard writing. So here we are going to see about blackboard writing skills, right? As you all are aware about other micro skills, this blackboard writing is also very important. Why? Because whenever we explain any terms to our students, it happens that we have to use blackboard so that they can relate it very easily and learn properly. Okay? So these are the visual aids which give we use in various aspects of education and training for all over picture of your lesson, whatever you are going to explain to your students in the terms of visual aids, we try to use the blackboard writing. Okay? So moving ahead, so as I mentioned, blackboard writing skill is in micro teaching, one of the important skill in blackboard writing. It reinforces students to learn more of that subject. It also helps the student to exercise, to relate the notes to calculation. While doing calculations, when teacher is writing on the board, students can learn it properly. Then again it is also give the clearance of all the teaching component which comes to the explanation part. And this skill which we are going to see, it's having about 8 to 9 components. Here they are, the 8 to 9 components. The legibility, what you are going to of the letter which you are going to write on the blackboard. Then comes the second part, that is the size and alignment of the letter. How you are going to write it? Is it in the straight line? How you are going to mention on the blackboard? Highlighting main points, the third one, very very important. Then utilization of space. How you are going to utilize the space overall when you write on the blackboard. Then the blackboard summary, means whenever you are going to explain any term, you have to write it short on the blackboard. Then the correctness of the spellings, whichever you are going to write on the board, it should be very very appropriate. There shouldn't be any mistake. Then come the position of the teacher, very very important. This is also because when you stand near the blackboard, it's not that your back portion should be visible, but it should be that you're standing at 45-degree angle so that students are not doing any mischief in your class. You can pay attention to the students also, and while writing on the board, very easily you're going to write it also, and you're going to look at your students also, means they will be comfortable in the class. Contact with the pupils. Yes, this is also important because when you are going to have a contact with the students, students are going to feel comfortable. It's not the teacher is writing for herself, it is for the student teacher is writing. Appropriate colors used, yes, which color you are going to use, how to use, and be explaining it later one by one. So coming to the first point, apart from this, we are having some sub skills also, like the selection of the content. Then comes which content you have selected. While planning your lesson, which content is more important, that should be written on the blackboard. Then comes planning of the blackboard work. Already you have to visualize it, what things I need to write on the left hand side, what I need to write on the right hand side. Then attractive and meaningful blackboard work, very very important because you are going to capture their attention, my dear students, and for capturing the attention, very important, right? Use of colored chalk, which helps a lot. Grammatically correct sentences also important, right? The legibility part, as I mentioned, it should be easy to read. If your handwriting is very small, will it be possible for the large man student to read it? It's not possible. So very legible handwriting should be there, and you should understand my size of the classroom, size of the blackboard, and how I am going to write in between the word, the writing, the space, how you are going to utilize it. And it is also helpful to grasp the attention of your students, to encourage and develop the proper handwriting for the students. Size and alignment, definitely as per legibility, the size is very important. The capital letter and the small letter should be properly distinguished when you are writing on the board. It should be readable, it should be comprehensible when you are writing on the board, and students should understand it. Utilization of board, if the board is of bigger size, try to utilize maximum size. If the smaller size, see how appropriately as a teacher you are going to use this skill over here. The blackboard, and always focus on main point, bullet point, wherever it is important. Use of complete material should be properly written in a proper format. Yes. Coming to the highlighting main points, for highlighting you can use a color chalk, you can underline it, but unnecessarily avoid that also. It's not required. Where it is required, you should highlight the main point over there so that the students are going to retain it, they are going to understand it, and they are going to remember for a long time period. So use of color required over here, but avoid using blue color chalks, my dear students. Only try to use yellow, pink color, which is visible from last, right? Then yes, this one more is important one is the blackboard summary. After teaching of your content, the way you want to rub the board, afterward if you feel highlighting main points or the summary, the gist of the lesson should be written in a proper format so that the student can relate it. They can summarize the main point of the lesson by seeing the blackboard. They are going to note it down in the book also. So this is also one of the important part. Correctness of the spelling, as I mentioned you, incorrect punctuation mark, grammatically error, it should be avoided. Position of teacher, definitely it should be 45 degree. You should stand, never show the back end to the students and write in a proper way. Yes, eye contact with the student. It's not that I am writing with my blackboard and knee is important, but my students are also important. So look at your students, maintain discipline, that will have the complete control of your class while getting on the blackboard. Okay, these are the references which I have mentioned over here. Now coming to the blackboard writing, which I have just written over here for you all. You can see over here. Yes, subject is mathematics. Start with the date. You have to see always the date has been mentioned. Division class has been written. Topic is pair of angle, which has been underlined with a yellow color chalk. Okay, while drawing for mathematics, remember any of the angles. Now if you see, this is a pair of angles which is complementary angle here. So draw it properly, right? You have to measure it. Use of scale is important. And this is pair of complementary angle which is being used with the color chalk. And I have explained over here, and it is being underlined also. So it's been highlighted. Utilization is proper. Each and every component which you have seen in the blackboard writing is properly mentioned over here. Okay? So that's it. Thank you.